Welcome everyone, Jean Kanicki here. Today we're making some potato salad for lunch. So let's do this. I started to cut up my celery. So I have 2 stalks of celery that I'm cutting up here. And we're going to put this right in the pan. And then I have some red peppers. I know some people don't like peppers and onions in their potato salad, but I'm not going to put onions in today. I'm just putting the red peppers. So we have that. And I'm going to crack an egg. Eggs are always a challenge to peel.
You have a visitor behind you.
What do you mean, the vacuum cleaner? We have a built-in vacuum cleaner. She walks around. So we're just going to cut this up like that. Very gently. And then I have 3 Yukon Gold potatoes that I boil and I peel them. So we're going to cut these up. Come in close. I like to boil my potatoes whole because I think they hold up better. Put that right in there. We have 2 more to go. Is that you? Bella's always in the kitchen because she doesn't want to miss out on anything. So then we're going to add a little bit of salt. And this is paprika. Some of that. And some black pepper. And then we're going to add some mayo. Now the recipe will be on the bottom like I always tell everyone. see how that works. Then we'll mix it all up. This is the simplest form of potato salad. It's so easy, so easy to make. And it sure beats buying it in the store. Now, that's all there is to it. You know I'm gonna have to try it. So let's leave this over here and get a spoon and we're gonna give it a quick taste. Try this recipe. It is simple and quick and delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.